Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hussein Baba, the founder and CEO of Multicultural Social Network. As you know, for the last 3 years, we've been preparing cultural meals for the homeless. Now, this winter, as you can feel, it's really cold and chilly. I can feel it here. It's really cold. And I have to wear quite a number of clothes. It's pretty cold. Now, imagine the homeless people who are sleeping rough in the parks, on the street. It's really cold for them. Therefore, we have started a blanket appeal. So we are seeking your support to provide new blankets so we can distribute to the homeless members who are sleeping rough. Okay. And if you need further details, it is below the video or on the post. Okay. So please do support our fellow brothers and sisters who are in need. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.